Hello students, I am Professor Jalis Ahmed. Today we are going to learn second unit of manufacturing processes, that is metal forming processes. Metal forming processes. This is the syllabus of the metal forming syllabus, that is a hot and cold working, rolling, forging, extrusion, drawing operation. This is the syllabus. Hot and what is the concept and comparative study? What is the difference between hot and cold working? Material behavior in metal forming, friction and lubrication in metal forming. So various metal forming operations are, one of them is the rolling operation. In this which are going to see types of rolling means flat rolling analysis, power required, simple uniform. Forging types, process parameter analysis or open die forging. Extrusion types of the extrusion process parameter, extrusion die shape factor, drawing, wire drawing and its analysis. First of all, what is meant by metal forming processes? Mechanical working of metal is the shaping of metal in either hot or cold state by some mechanical means. In this, it does not include casting and all. So in mechanical forming process, we are just forming the components. Okay, we are going to form components. We are going to give shape to the component. We are not going to cut any kind of material. We are not going to add any kind of material. Just just the shaping of the material is there with the help of mechanical forces. We are forcing the raw material, heated raw material, into the dies. The behavior and properties of the metal depend on the crystal structure. What is the behavior depend on the crystal structure of the material? What is the structure? Crystal structure of the material, FCC, BCC. Okay, different crystal structures are there. That depends. Okay, grain size. What is the grain size of the material inside? Okay, grain boundaries and nature and instance of the defect. Plastic deformation in metal takes place by means of slip mechanism. The stress required to continue deformation increases with the deformation and known as a work hardening or stay hardening. Plastic deformation at room temperature is called as a cold working. Plastic deforming plastically is called as a plastic deformation. Once it is deformed, it will be in plastic state, that is called as a plastic deformation. At room temperature is called as a cold working, and when done above the recrystallization temperature at the recrystallization temperature is the temperature at the recrystallization temperature is called the recrystallization temperature, known as hot working. So metal forming processes are bulk deformation, means we can deform a large amount of material, that is a bulk deformation. Sheet metal working, okay, two types. Bulk deformation include rolling process, forging. Extrusion means a huge amount of material is deformed, extrusion, wire and bar drawing. There sheet metal working, not a large amount of material but few amount is a small amount. Right? The bending operation is also metal form. This material is bent. Deep or cup drawing, shearing processes, miscellaneous. So this is not the bulk drawing but sheet metal working operation are also called as a metal forming operation. Okay. Bulk deformation processes. This is a rolling operation. Material enter from this side. These are the rollers. They are rolling in opposite direction. If okay, versus acting or rolling. This is the it is going outside. Entry, input, output. Okay. Total overall reduction in cross section of the material. इतना था thickness अभी इतना रहा. Okay. This is the forging with the, this is the forging die. Okay, so for example, first of all it was like a square shape. Now because of the forces, forging forces, what happened, it takes the shape of the die, open die forging. Okay, this is extrusion. Okay, this is a ram. This is red hot material. Because of the forces, it is forced outside to give material. Okay, this is the extrusion. Okay, this is the white drawing operation. Okay, these are the these are the bulk deformation processes. Now what is meant by rolling? Rolling is the compressive deformation process in which the thickness of the slab or plate is reduced by two opposing cylindrical tools called rolls. The rolls rotate so as to draw the work into the gap between them and squeeze it. Okay. Rolling is the operation in which the input material. This is a rolling. This is the rolling. You can follow this set. Two rollers which are rotating in opposite direction. This is the work red hot material in case of hot rolling. Input from this side, output. Overall cross section is reduced. It is the compressive deformation process in which the thickness of the slab or plate is reduced by two opposing cylindrical tools called rolls. The rolls rotate so as to draw the work into the gap between them and squeeze it. Now what is forging? In forging, a workpiece is compressed between two opposing dies. Compressed so that the die shapes are imparted to the. So whatever the shape of the die, the shape is given to the work. Forging is traditionally hot working process, but many types of forgings are performed coldless. Below recrystallization temperature means cold. Above recrystallization means hot. Okay. Forging की diagram पर परत एकदा. Forging red hot material most of the time put over here. For example, it is square. When it is pushed, it is hammered. It will take the shape of the die. जो भी die का shape रहेगा वैसा shape मिलेगा इसको. ठीक है. Third is extrusion. This is a compression process in which the work metal is forced to flow through a die opening. Compression process in the work metal is forced to flow through the die opening, thereby taking the shape of the opening as its own cross section. Okay, देखो, this is the extrusion process in which this red hot material is there. या रैम है यहाँ से आता है. ठीक है, रेड हॉट मटेरियल यहाँ पर है. ठीक है, ये डाई ओपनिंग यहाँ पर है. दिस इज डाई ओपनिंग. दिस बिकॉज ऑफ द रैम we are pushing the ram is pushing that particular red hot material, and the red hot material will be pushed out of the die opening. This you can say this is cylindrical bar will be cylindrical shape bar is extruded in this. Okay, whatever the shape of the die opening, that kind of shape of the material will be continuously extruded. ये continuous आगे जाते जाएगा. Okay, this is a continuous process. Okay, कितना भी लंबा बढ़े खींचते जाओ. जितना लेंथ का चाहिए, वट एवर द लेंथ रिक्वायर्ड दैट कैन बी कट. जितना चाहिए उतना कट कर देने का. सो एक्सट्रूजन इज कंटिन्यूस प्रोसेस. ओके, ड्राइंग. इन दिस फॉर्मिंग प्रोसेस, ड्राइंग, द डायमीटर ऑफ अ राउंड वायर और बार इज रिड्यूस्ड बाय पुलिंग इट थ्रू. डायमीटर ऑफ राउंड वायर और बार इज रिड्यूस्ड थ्रू पुलिंग इट थ्रू डाई ओपनिंग. देखो ये diameter, initial diameter, now final diameter. So we have to pull by this particular forces are applied, and it is pulled through the die opening, and this cross section, this diameter is reduced to this diameter. Okay, these are the principal hot working process: hot rolling, hot forging, hot spinning, hot extrusion, tube drawing, roll piercing, hot drawing. Friction and lubrication in metal forming are also very much in order to improve the life of the rollers. In case of in metal forming, friction is undesirable. Friction is undesirable. That's why lubrication is required. Okay, in metal forming, high pressure is between hardened tool and softer work part. Plastic deformation of soft metal and high temperature leads to high coefficient friction even in presence of lubricant. To avoid this, in cold working, mineral oil, water-based machines are used. Not working, graphite contained water is used. Comparison between the hot and cold, this is very much important. Hot working is done above the recrystallization temperature. Cold working is done below recrystallization. Cold working is done below recrystallization temperature. So what is recrystallization temperature? Hot working is done above the recrystallization temperature. Recrystallization temperature is a particular temperature below the melting point of a metal or material. Usually metals in microscopic scale are made up of grain-like particles. At recrystallization temperature, if you impart enough force, you can easily succeed to change the size and shape of these grains, and this might make the metal more ductile and more stress relieved. Okay, it is a temperature. We can also say that what is it is temperature? It is a temperature at which the growth of new stress-free grains are taking place, which replaces the old stress grains formed from strain hardening of or work hardening. It is usually 0.5 times the melting point of that, means half of the melting point. Okay, so in short, recrystallization temperature is half of the melting point. Okay, so hot working above recrystallization temperature, then cold working below recrystallization temperature. In hot working, refinement of grain take place. Grain structure is distorted. Impurities and porosity are removed from metals after hot working. Impurities and porosity are removed. Impurity and porosity exist in metal after cold working also. Residual stresses are eliminated in this. Residual stresses are not eliminated. Okay, these are again this one. Closed dimensional tolerances cannot. इसमें closed dimension नहीं achieved. Here closed dimension tolerances can be obtained. Why closed dimension cannot be attained? Because it is a bulk deformation process. Okay, tooling and handling costs are more. Tooling and handling costs are less. ये बहुत बड़ी होती है. Okay. Mechanical properties such as toughness, ductility, elongation are improved. Cold working decreases elongation, reduction in area, hardness, tensile strength. So I will stop for this video up to. Okay, thank you.